Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kapil Garg. In this course of video, we will learn about Excel and its features. What Excel is exactly? Excel is a software developed by Microsoft which run on different operating systems like Android, iOS, Mac, etc. In Excel, we can do a lot of things like creating charts, pivots, tables, data visualizations, and data analysis. Let me show you the home screen of Excel. When you open for the first time, a blank workbook will appear. If you see, there are various things available on screen. Let's see one by one. On the top left corner of the screen, you can see this is called as Quick Access Toolbar. Just below to Quick Access Toolbar, there are tabs under which there are various options available. And the place where these options are available are called as ribbon. We can minimize and maximize this ribbon by double tap on these tabs. Once you double tap, it will collapse and it will come back. There is another option to collapse the ribbon by clicking on this button. Once you click, it will collapse. The third way to collapse and maximize this ribbon is pressing Ctrl along with F1. Once you press Ctrl F1, the ribbon will come back and it will collapse like that. Once you come down a little bit, this section is called as name box. So as you can see currently, our location of cursor is on column A, row 1, which is A1. That will reflect in name box field. Just next to name box field, we have another field which is called as formula bar. In this field, we can see the formula which we wrote. So let's take an example. If I write 1 plus, so as you see, the result is 3, which will reflect in our cell. But if we wanted to see the formula, that will reflect in our formula bar tab. If you wanted to expand the formula bar tab, you just need to click on this option and your formula bar tab will expand. If we come down, this A, B, C, D, E, these are called as columns. So as I click on any name of the alphabet, whole column will get selected, and on the left side if you see these 1 2 3, the numerical will be called as rows. So if I click on any of the number, whole row will get selected. Let's navigate to the down of the screen. If you see, these are called as sheets. So once currently we have sheet 1, if we wanted to add more sheets, we just need to click on this add button and new sheets will get added like that. Let's come back to sheet 1. Once you navigate to the right of the sheet, you can see these options are available to increase and zoom in and zoom out of the characters. So if we zoom in, you can see it's increasing. So like that we can maximize and minimize the contents of our screen. If you see on the top center of the file, this is called as name of the file. So in our case it's book 1. It keep changes as you save, as per the name it changes. On the right side, if you see, these are called as minimize, maximize and close button, which we can use to do so. On the left side, if you see, this is a file button. In some Microsoft version, it is a Microsoft window icon. So if you click, the same options you will get, which have further options like save, save as, print, share, export. Now let's see, if you wanted to type anything, so you just come down to the cell, come to that cell, and you can just type through your keyboard like this. If you wanted to edit the entered, so you can either do it by double clicking in the cell, or you can just press F2 and it will give you the same option to edit that current option. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and do let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.